With prices of PVM skyrocketing and even prices of consumer sets, a lot of individuals are looking for a better viewing experience for their retro gaming and computing. Today, I just want to take a couple minutes and talk about my favorite CRT, the Commodore 1702. I really wish this video would do this monitor justice. You're watching Grand Theft Auto being played on an Xbox through a composite video, and it looks great. You would argue that it looks almost as good as any PVM, and there's a reason for that. The Commodore 1702 is just a rebadged JVC Pro monitor from the mid to late 80s. And when we pair the 1702 with a Commodore 64, it really shines, especially when you're using Commodore Video, which we'll talk about a little later. Fix-It Felix Jr. here looks amazing, and it's incredibly sharp, and the colors look amazing in real life. On the front of the monitor, we have composite video as well as mono audio in, volume, H-hold, V-hold, contrast, brightness, color, and tint controls. The back of the monitor is pretty unassuming with just the power cord coming out, but I want to focus on Commodore Video. Here we see two RCA jacks labeled Chroma and Luma. All this is S-Video. With a simple adapter, you can hook up almost any console that can put out S-Video to your 1702. And under that is your video selector switch to select between Commodore Video or S-Video and composite on the front. These monitors are pretty easy to get into. The whole back slides off and you have great access to the main board. That bottom main board will actually slide out. That way if you had to recap it or replace any components, everything is extremely accessible. Everything just looks great on this monitor. Doesn't matter if you're using it for your Commodore or if you're using it for retro gaming. I think it's a great addition to any collection. Keep an eye out, they don't show up too much, but when they do, typically that front door is busted off. There's a couple files online that you can 3D print a replacement though, so you might be in luck. Hey, if you like what we're doing over here at Retro Tech or Die, please like and subscribe.